Welcome to the Funeral Program Site Questions and Answers video series. Today's question is, what is the difference between a eulogy and an obituary? Because the eulogy and obituary is written following a passing or death, the distinction between the two is understandably not clear to many. There are, however, a number of noteworthy differences between the two. An obituary is essentially a short life biography that is written by a family member for a newspaper or within a funeral program to announce a person's death. It can also inform the community at large of any public funeral or memorial service and share highlights of a life lived. An obituary can also be referenced as a life biography summarized to capture major milestones or highlights within a loved one's life. A eulogy, on the other hand, is a written speech that is delivered at a funeral service. Eulogies are typically lengthier and more personal than obituaries, as they are intended to share memories of a loved one that other family members and friends at the service are able to relate to. The eulogy is not written verbatim within the funeral program or printed memorial, but rather is presented by a family member, close friend, clergy, or officiant. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time in another Q&A session only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.